even though I'm bald headed, I understand that. I'm still going to try these products out. Hey y'all, time for another video. In today's video, I'm going to go through my list of products that I want to try. So these will be products that I will probably purchase in the near future, and probably come and do a video about and tell you guys how I liked it, whether or not it worked, where I got it from, how much it costs. But for today, it's just going to be a list of those products that I'm going to purchase. So if you're interested, then please keep watching. I'm going to go through the products in order. So I'm going to do shampoo, conditioner, moisturizer, and then stylers, because I think that's kind of easy to keep it categorized so that we don't get all over the place. As far as shampoos and conditioners go, I do want to try out a Shea Moisture shampoo. I've never tried their shampoos. I love their restorative conditioner. I use it every time I wash my hair. It works well for me. I do want to try out their shampoos though, and I also want to try out DevaCurl shampoos because I've heard a lot about those. And I also want to try out some of the Oying Handmade cleansers. I don't know if they call them shampoos, but I definitely want to try something from their line for a cleansing product, because I love their line. I love the products that they create. The ingredients that they use are amazing, and I've always loved that brand. So definitely want to try them out. So those are my three. I want to try Shea Moisture, DevaCurl, and Oying Handmade. As far as conditioners go, I keep hearing a lot about the Main Choice conditioner. So I definitely think I want to try that one out. I really am happy with the conditioner that I currently use, so I don't have a long list of conditioners, but I definitely want to try the Main Choice because I keep hearing about it over and over and over, and the people who are raving about it have really beautiful hair and they give honest reviews. So that has piqued my interest and made me think about trying that product out. And I've noticed that it's in my local Sally's. Like, I see it all the time and I know the story behind it, so I think that's going to be the next conditioner that I try. Also, Be Mine, because Be Mine is a brand that makes a deep conditioner that does not have protein in it, which is so hard to find. And with my hair being protein sensitive, I shouldn't say it's protein sensitive, but my hair can get protein overload if I don't watch it. And I love the fact that they make a conditioner like that, and it's for low porosity hair, which I have. So I'm looking forward to trying that brand's conditioner out. As far as moisturizers go, I want to try more moisturizers from the Oying Handmade line, because I love that line. I love that company. I love their ingredients, so I want to try that out. I think I also want to try like some DIY moisturizers, like Natural 85. She does the pre-poo with the aloe, like legit aloe from the leaf itself. I want to try to make either flaxseed gel or leave-in conditioner or something with some aloe in it. I don't know. I just feel like I want to do some DIY. So I want to do a DIY moisturizer. I want to try some mango butter moisturizer, and I also want to try some different oils. So right now I use olive oil exclusively. I'm not going to use coconut oil, but I do want to try like grapeseed oil. I also want to try sweet almond oil. Those I've heard a lot about, and I think those might work for me. I've used jojoba oil in the past, but that's back on the list for me to grab some of that and try that in the near future. Let's see. Shea Butter, also Shea Butter, Shea Butter, Shea Butter. I used to use Shea Butter so much before, just the raw Shea Butter, and then sometimes I would make the kind of whipped Shea Butter. I used to use that all the time to moisturize my hair, and I remember that I really liked it. I don't know how I feel about it now. I don't know how my hair would respond, but that's also on the list. Okay, on to stylers. Now, I know I'm bald headed. I do not have a lot of hair to style. However, there are some gels that I want to try. So I want to, well, there's some gels and some creams that I want to try, because honestly I want to try to style my hair dry. Like, I don't want to do like a wet TWA, because I see some styles where it's just like a nice textured afro and it looks so pretty to me, especially on women with, like, I don't know, nice features, and I see it and I'm like, oh, that looks so good. I wonder if that would look like that on me. But I want to try those, and for those, that's a whole different set of stylers. But anyway, back to the wet TWA. I want to try the Eco Styler Castor Oil Gel because I hear either it's amazing or this product is boo-boo garbage, don't buy it. So I want to try that for myself and see how I like it. The main complaint is like people are like it doesn't give that much hold, and because I use aloe vera gel in the top of my hair which doesn't give you hold at all, I might end up liking it. Plus it looks so pretty in the bottle, like it's all sparkly. So I want to try that, the Eco Styler and Castor Oil gel. I also want to try some of the Karen's Body Beautiful leave-ins and stylers. I hear so much about that line. I definitely want to put that on my list. Also the Camille Rose line, I hear so much about that line. There is a YouTuber, I have to find her name and put it in, but her hair is like on another level beautiful, and she uses the gel from is it Camille Rose a lot on her hair. So just because I feel like I want my hair to be beautiful and her hair beautiful and she uses it, so I'm going to try and see if my hair could be beautiful like that too. Even though I'm bald headed, I understand that. I'm still going to try these products out. So I think that's it. We went over shampoos, conditioners, moisturizers, and stylers. Those are the main 4 categories for doing my hair, keeping my hair healthy, maintaining my hair and making sure that it grows like it should grow, that it stays looking aesthetically pleasing, and that it's not damaged. So I think that is a pretty good list for now. I don't want to turn into a product junkie. I have been there, I have done that, and I have to be careful, but there are things that I do want to gradually try and work into my routine. So I'm going to try those things. I will definitely be coming back doing videos letting you guys know how it went. And in the interim, if you have any suggestions or if you've tried any of the products that I mentioned and you have comments, please leave them down below. That always helps me out. When I did the video on the Ayurvedic herbs, there was someone who left me the best message. She emailed me, helped me out so much. I had so many questions. She answered all of my questions for me, actually gave me the confidence to go ahead and try those herbs. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate it so much. I don't want to put your name out there because I know some people are very private, but I do appreciate it. So you guys, please leave any info down below. I will get back to you guys if you have questions as well. As always, thank you so much for watching, supporting, and subscribing. Please also follow me on my other social medias. I will leave them linked for you guys. And until next time, y'all, bye.